So today we are going to be getting our sheep sheared, which we actually already did because we're doing the intro before.
After.
We're doing the intro after.
I meant to say, okay.
You want to try that again? Go ahead.
Just more bloopers for your reel. Hi guys, welcome to the Crouch Ranch. Today we just got our sheep sheared. Say that 5 times fast. And
We're shorting the sheep with the sheep shorting shears.
Yes, we did. So Kelsey came out here today to shear the sheep, and her lovely assistant, who helped lasso it and get Jack all squared away. So he's looking high and tight now. He's ready for his military inspection. I know there's people who do it, but
How did you guys find us?
Facebook.
Yeah,
Oh,
Facebook.
cool.
On the little Ramona view, but he's not on Facebook. He uses Instagram, and that's mainly the reason why I use it. College friends, and then also just like advertising my businesses. So.
Right, exactly.
Way back here.
Yeah, this little guy's going to winter camp in about a month.
Not even.
Maybe less.
And I'm just gonna bottle it.
All right, do your thing, cowboy.
So I can like walk, because the idea was to have it out here so we keep the weeds down. It's a skittish, but he runs the chickens terrifying.
Look at you go.
Sorry about that.
That's all right. Look at you go.
Sorry about that.
That's all right.
He's had good success rate today.
Yeah, he is. Look at that. What a catch.
There you go.
Just start shearing them right there.
Yep. That makes me wet.
You're pretty bad
6
earlier.
for 5?
Yeah.
6 for 5 today on roping.
Pretty good.
He's a city boy too.
Not anymore.
No, not today, he's not.
Not if you're roping.
You know what's the funny thing? I can only rope sheep and goats. I can't rope cattle. Well, and llamas been on tractors too.
Yeah, I know Lama was free.
You see this for his belly, and then we'll flip him up. Because you can tie him off to this gate right here really easy.
Weather?
Yeah, he's a weather.
Hey there.
Hi.
Trying to get the neck at all.
Oh, well. You want to do that?
Okay, let's get it exactly mixed. Okay, let's get it exactly mixed. He took it out.
Oh, hush, hush,
That's why we do that. Most sheep shears flip them, so like that what we just did. But it takes a toll on the back, so we just do whatever works. Yeah. His head, so. Do you want his head done?
You know what? It doesn't matter.
I don't
because-
care about the
yeah,
head.
We're not.
I'm not making a lamb head cheese.
Yeah.
I don't do hog head cheese either.
Lamb, like just a full baked lamb head.
Negative. That's not my thing.
Especially
That's a
after
delicacy in
especially
some
after you dig the
cultures.
22 out of it, you know?
Yeah, you can get the bullet out of its brain.
That's true. Well, he's good to go then. Let go.
Where are you going, bud?
Spaz. It's okay. He's gonna pee, of course.
You can run.
You look so silly naked. I know, it's okay.
What a skittish little thing.
I told you, man.